Hello, you cunt.
I'm not going to make a shitty comeback. What I've been doing in the time that I've not been here, let's discuss what has happened in the world since I was last speaking to this recording device. What has happened in this world? Alright, World Cup happened. We did brilliantly for so long in that tournament. We beat a team, we beat a team, we lost a team, we beat a team, we beat a team, then we lost a team. But it doesn't matter because we did well and football came home for a while. Until it took an overnight stay in France for the next 4 years. But it's coming home in 2022. Fucking happened. Love Island happened. People care about that. Let's talk about that. Love Island. People went into a house. Some people came out. Some more people went in. And then at the end, £50,000 was given to 2 people. That's decent, I guess. 50 grand for just having sex on TV. Fair enough. A dog died in a TV show that all my friends care about, so I'm going to talk about that. A dog died. He's a German Shepherd. Name's Wilson. Might ring a bell. Fucking, he's dead. Couple countries flooded. That sucks, dick. One of them had a cave, and some boys got trapped in it with their coach. Alright then, that's fair enough. Oh, whoops, it's starting to rain. We best go further in the cave. But yeah, that happened, and they're alright now. They've been saved by some divers, and now they dove out and they're alright. Don't know about the other country. A rapper died. He got shot. Kind of Biggie Smalls, Tupac style, shot in the car at a red light. That's sad. We all know who I'm talking about, so I'm not even going to say it. Alright. Some bikes. Had a race. That's all I've got. Trump happened a couple places over the world this year so far. He's been here, he's been there, he's been everywhere. And he fucking cut up the Queen. Don't know why she didn't not fucking knock his head off. Might be because she's like 90 odd. That's fucking rude though. It's been hot. That's what's happened. It's been really hot. It's been so hot that I've actually had to go outside naked. Well, not necessarily, but I've wanted to because it's so hot. What is happening? Fucking the English countryside, which is so hot right now. I'm pretty sure I could boil an egg on the bonnets of cars. YouTube boxing match, that's happened. That's important at the moment. What's happening with the YouTube boxing match? 2 Paul brothers and 2 black brothers. I mean, KSI and Deji. They're fighting each other. Not in that order. Logan's taking KSI. Fucking spark him out, KSI, because Logan's a wanker. Jake and Deji. Don't like either of them, but I tolerate Deji more, so knock him out. Knock fucking Jake out, wanker. Fucking Walmart this shit. YouTube, some YouTubers started doing cons of their own. They tried to do their own conventions. Tana tried to do her own convention across YouTube. That didn't work out. Some people passed out. A lot of people were told to go home. And she cried. Fucking deserved it. FouseyTube got on top of a car and started ranting about the fact that someone caused him to try and kill himself. I've no comment. Disney have bought Fox, if you care about that, which is quite cool. I went bowling. It's me getting a strike. Nice. I got a haircut. Then it grew out. Cool. Being addicted to video games became a disability, apparently. That's kind of cool. Now I know what's wrong with me. I couldn't think of anything else that's happened, so that's basically all I'm going to say that's happened in the world. But I'm back, and uploads should continue. Peace out.